Mastering the Art of Business Card Exchange. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic that carries immense importance in the business world: the etiquette of business card exchange. This simple act, when done right, can set the tone for your future professional relationships. So, let's uncover the do's and don'ts of this timeless tradition. In many cultures, exchanging business cards is not just about sharing contact details. It's a symbol of respect, acknowledgement, and professionalism. It's the first step in forging a meaningful business relationship. Remember, a business card is an extension of you and your brand. 1. Hold the card with both hands. Especially in East Asian cultures, it's considered polite to present your card using both hands. It demonstrates the importance you attach to the exchange. 2. Ensure the card faces the receiver. When handing over your card, ensure the text faces the person you're giving it to. It makes it easier for them to read and shows thoughtfulness. 3. Maintain eye contact. When exchanging cards, maintain eye contact and offer a genuine smile. It's a sign of respect and sincerity. 1. Accept with both hands. Just as you present with both hands, accept the card with both hands. It mirrors the respect shown by the giver. 2. Take a moment to read. Don't just pocket the card immediately. Spend a few seconds reading the card. This gesture communicates interest and respect. 3. Avoid writing on the card. Unless specifically asked, avoid writing notes on someone's business card in their presence. It may come across as disrespectful. 1. Store safely. Use a card holder or dedicated pocket in your wallet for business cards. Don't just stuff them haphazardly. 2. Digitalize. In the modern era, it's helpful to digitalize important cards using mobile apps or by manually entering details into your contacts. It ensures you won't lose the information if the physical card is misplaced. 3. Follow up. If you've exchanged cards with the intention of future communication, don't delay. Send a brief and polite email or message acknowledging the meeting and expressing your desire to stay connected. There you have it, folks. Business card exchange might seem simple, but mastering its etiquette can speak volumes about your professionalism and attentiveness. Remember, it's not just a card, it's the first chapter of a potentially rewarding business relationship. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject. Until next time, keep networking and keep learning.